I said, there's a lot of things that I learned in there that I use today, right? Like whether it's running a block or running a yard or running a building, right? Like you got to know who's good at what, right? So you know your audience, right? So this guy's good at making fierros. This guy's good at making wine. This guy's good at talking. This guy's good at beating people up, right? So like I use it in my managerial skills today, right? Like who's good at what department and how do I make them use their abilities to the best of their ability, right? So it all comes in hand, right? And you have to be a good communicator, right? Whether it's on the prison yard or on the streets, especially in your work, right? So everything that I learned in the negative environment, I use it in my work environment today, right? And it's make me uh, a successful boss and leader and director.